Hey guys, this is Sakib and welcome back to this channel, and today in this video we're gonna see how we can create a fully functional web app without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard it right. We're gonna create a fully functional web app without writing any code, and you don't have to have any coding knowledge. If you are a beginner, you can also build your own web app for your personal task. For this video we're gonna build a YouTube tools type web app where we can paste the URL of a YouTube video and it will show us the YouTube thumbnail, video description, titles and other analytics. So let me just quickly show you how it will work on our website. So at first what we'll do, we'll just copy a YouTube URL like this and we have to paste it into our web app like this. And if I click on analyze, as you can see, boom, it shows us the thumbnail in max resolution, standard resolution. It shows us the video title, publish date, the channel name, description. It shows us all the statistics like the video views, likes, comments, category, and it will also show us the video tags, which is very important to rank our video into YouTube. So if I pull another video like this, the Shark Tank video, and if I paste it here and click analyze, and here you can see it's facing all the data for our video and showing it to us. And here you can see all the tags that have been used in this particular video. So what we'll do, we'll create this similar type of web app. As you can see, I have using the CodePen code editor to see the real-time results for our web app, and I have built it completely for free without writing a single line of code, and we are generating all this coding with the Deepseek AI. So let's quickly jump into the video. So at first what we'll do, we'll open a new chat on Deepseek, and here I will put a command about. So here you can see that I have give it a context about the web app I wanted. Like I want to build a web app for YouTube. This web app will show the video thumbnail, video description, tags and information, and the web app should be fast loading. It will have to have a modern interface and it must be rich in content. And now I will give this command to Deepseek and it will start generating the results for us. And in the meantime, let me just quickly refresh this CodePen code editor so that we can get a new code editor and we can start building our web app absolutely from scratch. So here you can see it has started generating the codes for us. And now it's using the JavaScript, the lazy load and other type of programming language, which must be a little confusing if you are a completely beginner. So what we do, we will use the HTML, CSS and JavaScript to build our web app. This will be a very user-friendly and very beginner-friendly. So I will give it another command. So here you can see I gave it a command about build web app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now Deepseek will rearrange and rewrite the codes according to the command that we have provided to it, right? So as you can see, it's started generating the content in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we'll wait a little bit for this, and after it's completed its content generating or the code generation, we will paste that code into CodePen and we'll see the actual output. So here you can see we have our code. I'll just copy it and paste it to this code editor and wait for a little bit so that you can boom. And now you can see it has a very modern interface which asking us to paste a video ID. So I'll quickly grab this video ID from YouTube and I'll paste it here and I'll click on load video so that we can get the output. But here you can see that error loading video not found. So this is the error that you will face at first because we haven't provided any YouTube API key to our code, right? So if we haven't have any access to the YouTube code library or the API library, it can't provide any data. So at first we'll have to create a credential for this, which is very easy. I will show it to you guys step by step. So at first you have to go to the YouTube developer or the data API, this link, and I will provide this link on the video description. And from here, you just have to scroll down a little bit. Then you can see that at first you had to have a Google account for this, because we will be using the YouTube data API, and we'll go to this API console. So the address will be console.cloud.google.com, and from here we can see all our product that we have generated. And from here you will see that quick access button here, or on the sidebar you will see some options like this. So we'll create a complete new project for this purpose. So I'll go to API and service and then enable API and services. And here you can see I have already one of the API key generated here. So I will create a new project. So at first I will click on this new project button. And from here I will give it a project name like this, and we'll click on create, so that it will create a new project for us. And from this search box here, we can search for the YouTube API key, or else you can also get it here. So at first we'll do the search here. We'll write YouTube. After typing YouTube, you will get the YouTube data API v3, which is necessary for us to create the web app. So I will click on this, and I will click on manage here. So at first, when you will do it for the first time, you will see an option called create here, and you have to click on create, and then you can access the API key. In my case, I have already enabled it, so I will just create on manage, and it will give me the API credential. So from here, I have to go to the credentials, and here there's an option called API key 1. So I just have to click on this, and under the additional information, we have an option called show key. So I have to click on this, so that it will give us the API key. But if you are doing it for the first time, you can generate the API key without doing all of this. You will get it in an easy way. So I'll just click on save and go back to our code editor. And then we have to find out the option to paste our API key in this code. So I'll just scroll down a little bit, and here under the script section, you can see that API key and your YouTube API key. So I will paste our YouTube API key here, and we'll wait for a little bit so that it will update the code. And if I copy this YouTube link and paste it here and click on load video, so that it shows us the video not found, right? So that's another error that we are facing. So I'll give Deepseek another comment that the video is not found, and we also want to download the thumbnail, as well as we have to have an option to copy the text of the video. So I'll give it another command like, so here I have put another command. Hey, it shows video not found. Also add a thumbnail, download option, add a copy button to copy the text, and generate an updated full code for this web app. So now Deepseek will generate an updated version of this web app code, which we can use to get our expected output from our web app. So we'll wait a little bit for this. So here you can see it gave us the updated code. I'll just copy it and again paste it on code pane and wait for a little bit so that it can update the code. And then again we have to copy our API credential. So I'll just quickly copy our API key from here and paste it to the code. And now I'll copy this YouTube video and again paste it here, click on load video, and now the video is loaded on our web app. As you can see, we have the thumbnail and there's an option called download thumbnail. Now if I click on this, it shows us the thumbnail in full screen, and from here we can easily download this thumbnail like this, right? And if I go back to our web app, I can load the video. So here is our video title, views, likes, comments, and all the tags that have been used in this video. And we have all the video description here. So if I click on copy all tags, it will copy all the tags. So in this way, you can build your own web app for any type of work that you want to do with YouTube, with Facebook, with Instagram, or any other platform. So I hope you like the video. If so, please give a thumbs up. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up so that I can make more amazing videos like this with AI. And please comment down in which topic you want the next video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.